Okay, so last time we left this problem, we were on part B. So I should label this part B of number 15. And we started with the velocity equation and we were isolating it for our unknown, which was delta x. So I have delta t times v equals delta x times delta t over delta t. We were just talking about how delta t divided by delta t is actually 1. So I can cancel that out. So now I have an equation, delta x equals delta t times v. So I have isolated delta x. I've solved for delta x. So now I'm ready to do the math. So this is part B. I'm going to flip this equation around because I can. You can rotate it around the equal sign. And I just like to put the unknown first. It's just one of those things I like. And since it's actually this unknown, delta x2. So delta x2 equals, in this case, not just delta t, it's going to be delta t2 times v2, right? Because we're talking about x2, so we need the second time and the second velocity. So, and I'm giving them subscripts, so I'm not putting them to the power. So I need to go back and look up at my givens. So I need delta x2, which I'm going to make pink. I'm solving for delta x2. That actually looks purple. So I need delta t2. Oh, no, it doesn't pink. Which I'm going to make red. And v2, which is going to be white. So I need delta t2. So I'm going to go back up and look at my unknowns. And I can see in my givens, I'll look at my unknowns, look at my givens. And I have 10 meters, 80 meters, 5 seconds is delta t2. So I'm going to take this and place it in my equation down below. And then v2, I need to look at my velocities. For v2, and 8.0 meters per second is my v2. So I'm going to take this and replace this in my equation. So once again, I'm going to pull my units out and solve for them to the side of my numbers. So I'm going to take the seconds and meters per second, meters divided by seconds times seconds. And that's the situation you can write out where you have meters times seconds divided by seconds. So once again, anything divided by itself is 1, 10 divided by 10 is 1, 4 divided by 4 is 1, seconds divided by seconds is 1. So my unit seconds are going to cancel out. I'm going to just have meters. So when I go down to the next step, I'm just going to have 5.0 times 8.0 times meters. So 5.0 times 8.0 is 40. I'm going to write it like this.